a few minutes today, so I thought we'd talk about crown molding. I really like crown. It really puts that little finishing touch on a room. If you're not familiar with it, it's the molding in a room that transitions from the wall to the ceiling. And the only hesitant part that people have about it is cutting it. And it's not that difficult if you have something like this. It's a jig put out by Bench Dog Tools. I bought this at Lowe's. And it does a couple of things. It establishes what they call your spring angle. And your spring angle is the angle on your crown that is right here. That's called your spring angle. Okay? The other thing that you need to know is what is up and what is down on crown. It doesn't matter in your house. If you like it upside down, or do it any way that you like, but traditionally, the widest section, that's the part that goes up toward the ceiling. And the small profile, that's what goes down toward the floor. So this would fit like this. Okay? But to cut it, using a jig like this is super easy. You can do it without it, but this just makes it easy, especially with the pictures they have. Say we're cutting an outside corner. Okay? Well, you would look at the picture and it would say, you know, for example, we're going to cut the right side. So you would put it upside down in the jig. You would adjust this to determine your spring angle, and that just means get it so that it's flat on the wall and the floor here, the base, like so. Bring that little guide in, and that'll keep everything where it should be. Okay? And then, just simply place it. What it's telling me is to slide this thing 45 degrees over here and place my jig on this side. So let's give it a go. Alright. Now we want to cut to the left side. And what does that tell us? It says to swing it over to the other 45 and place the jig on this side. Okay. Let's see how we did. That is as easy and as perfect as you can get for cutting your crown outside moldings. Now, using our jig, let's see how easy it is to cut inside corner crown. Okay, they tell us turn the angle of our saw at 45 degrees and put our jig on the same side as the cut. Alright, let's cut the other side of our inside corner, which the jig tells us turn it to 45 degrees and put the jig on the same side as the swing. Let's see what we got. half. And that is as easy as it is to cut your inside corner.